Greetings everyone, you're welcome once more to NPH, your ultimate YouTube station channel where we solve problems on math, different topics. Alright, so today I'm going to be taking you a problem on factorization, and it says factorize 6pq minus 3rs minus 3ps plus 6qr. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into the solution. Alright, so this is a problem of factorization. What you want to do in factorization is you want to find what common factor, okay? A general common factor. So, but if we look at the equation, we are seeing that certain things are common, okay? And so we have P here, we have P here, we have R here, we have R. So the first thing you want to do is you want to what? Rearrange. Okay, so let's see how we are going to rearrange what we have on the board. So I have two ways to rearrange this. One, I have Q here, I have Q here. Okay, so one way to rearrange this is we have 6PQ plus 6QR. Okay, so here we have minus 3PS and minus 3RS. This is one way. Or okay, some other way again we have to consider is I can pick this, okay, and this one. Since I can see that P is common. Okay, so since P is common, we can say 6PQ minus 3PS. Okay, alright, so we have this and this left. So I'm going to say what? Plus 6QR minus what? 3RS. So the first thing is we have rearranged. So you can solve any of the two and arrive at your answer. But for this question, let's use this to solve. Alright, so solving with this, the first you want to do is you want to pair. You want to factorize this part and you want to factorize this part. Alright, to easily do that, let's find the common factor. I'll do that here and I'll also do that here. So here I have 6PQ and I have 3PS. Here we have 6QR, we have 3RS. So the first thing is for the numbers, what is common? What can divide 3 that can also divide 6? Okay, it's 3. So 3 divides 6 is how many times? We have 2 times. So we can put the alphabets. Now 3 divided 3 is how many times? It's 1 time. So we may not put the 1. So we have just PS. Okay. Right now for the alphabet, what is common? What's the common factor here? P is common. So P can divide P here, so we are left with just 2Q. And P divide P here, we are left with S. Now for this part also, we have that what? 3 is common between the numbers. So 3 divided 6 is 2. We can put the alphabet QR. 3 divided 3 is 1, so we have it as just RS. Now for the alphabet, what is common? R is common. So R cancels out R. We have just 2Q, like we have here. And if we divide R to this, we have just S left. So one thing you can observe is we have two Q and S here, and we have 2Q and S. So by the time we factorize this, in our brackets, we are going to be seeing 2Q and S, 2Q and S. Alright, so let's proceed. So what we are factorizing is this and this. So now we have 3 times P is 3P. Now I'm going to write all this and divide both sides by 1. 3p. So I have 6pq will divide 3p, okay, minus 3ps will also divide 3 what p. So that's for this. That's how to factorize this part. Now plus, we have 3 times r, so that will give us 3r. Now we are going to do the same. We are going to divide 3r to this and to this. So I have what? 6qr divided by 3r minus 3rs divided by what? 3r. So having gotten this step, we can now what? Factorize further. Let's see what can cancel out. Alright, so for this side, we have a 3p here. This can cancel, this is 2. P can cancel out, P is 1, 1. Okay, so P is out. We are left with 2 times Q, which is what? 2Q. What we can see here. So minus 3 will cancel out 3, P will cancel out P, so we are left with S. That's what we can see here, so S. So plus 3R, okay. Now, if we also do 3R, use it to divide this and this, we'll be having this. So 3 into this is 2, R cancel out R, so we are left with what? 2Q minus 3 cancel out 3, R cancel out R, so we are left with this. Alright, so now from this, we can see that something is still common. Okay, what is common in this case is this. This is common and this is common. So it means we can factor out that. So I have 2q minus s. Okay. So for this part, if we divide 2q minus s here, 2q minus s. Okay, so that will be left with this. And for this other part, I'm also going to divide by 2q minus s. And so if we do that, this will cancel out this. So we have 2q minus s into what? We are left with what? Just 3p. Okay, so plus this will cancel out this, so we are left with what? 3r. Alright, so having gotten this to this point, we can now finish the equation. But we can still check if something is common. Now remember, we have this multiplied by this, which I can still write as 3p plus 3r multiplied by what? 2q minus s. Remember in maths, if I say 2 times 3, it also means 3 times 2. So this multiply this, we can also write as this, okay, multiply this. Alright, so from this, I can also observe that something is common here. And what is common is what? I can look at the numbers, it's 3. So I'm going to divide 3p by 3 plus 3r by 3 multiply 2q minus s. There's nothing here to factorize because I can't see any common factor there. So when you're factorizing, you want to ensure you look out for what is common in the brackets. So 3 will cancel out 3 is 1, 1. 3 will cancel out 3 is 1, 1. So we are left with what? 3 multiply, we are left with p here plus what? Here we have r and we have 2q minus s. So this gives us the answer to this problem. Alright guys, make sure you hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.